Welcome, I'm the Word Nerd, and this is Counting Cost Ministries. Let's dig deeper. So today we're doing September's faith bullet journal setup, and yeah, so it's late, but here we are. So I set this up, and so my theme is purple and crown of thorns. Purple represents royalty, and crown of thorns obviously is Jesus. And so I kept the theme throughout the entire month. And yeah, you just saw the cover page and the verse page. And this is the calendar, gratitude, focus on, and music. So those are the different sections I have on this one. And then we have, of course, God time and screen time. And yeah, that just sums up my month this month. Pretty standard for myself. And yeah, I really like the ribbon lettering I did on the verse page. And then we have August, so I did almost fill in all of the gratitude, and of course I did keep track of all my screen time and God time, at least most of it. And this is just a flip through of more of my like dailies and what I did this month. Mostly I took a lot of notes. So that's most of the, and of course hand lettering. I'm really getting into the ribbon hand lettering thing, and so yeah, looks pretty cool. That page, just ignore, it's awful, don't want to talk about it. So more notes, and I kept a few pages out to continue the notes for this because it's a book I'm reading, taking notes, and so I wanted to keep it together. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you in my next one. God bless.